To the day 2 of the 30 days CodeForces challenge, and today we are going to solve the problem air conditioner. This is the second day of the problem. The playlist will be available on the channel, so you can go and visit there. Today we will be discussing this problem. This is again a 1500 level problem. Just read out the problem for a while. I will just zoom a little bit and you can see the problem. Just take some time and read it. The problem link is again given in the description, so you can go and check out there. So once you have read the problem, let's start with the problem. So I will explain you the problem. The problem basically specifies that there is a strip of length n. Suppose n is equal to 6. So there is a strip, and in the strip, there at some particular points, there are some ACs. The air conditioners have been put, and like here the air conditioner is put at second position, and here the air conditioner is put at fifth position. Now each air conditioner is at a particular temperature. That this one is at 14, this one is at 16. So it is set, the air temperatures, the air conditioner's temperature is set to 14, and in this case it is set to 6. Now what has been asked to us is we have to find at each cell what is the minimum temperature, and how do you define the minimum temperature? Minimum temperature of a cell is the addition is the sum of the temperature of an air conditioner and the distance between it. Like suppose here the temperature is 14 and the distance between two and first cell is 1. So here at first cell you can say the temperature is 15. And from here, from fifth cell, if we will check out, then here is the temperature 16, here it will be 17, here it will be 18, here 19, and here 20. So at first cell, if you will check, compare with respect to 2 and fifth cell, then the second cell will give you the minimum temperature, that will be 15. Now at second cell, it will be 14 because this air conditioner will give a temperature of 19 over here. So you can see why 19 is come, because 16 plus 3 equal to 19. Let's take the example a better on a whiteboard. So here you can see there is an AC with temperature 10. So here this AC will provide the temperature as 11. This AC will provide here a temperature as 13. This AC will provide a temperature here as even more than 13. So basically what I'm trying to convey is it will provide a temperature as 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you can see, and similarly 16 will provide a temperature of 24, 5 I guess. Whatever it may be, but you can see the minimum temperature is given by 11. So here we will put the answer as 11. Again for 10, here this AC will provide a temperature as 10. This will provide 13 because there is a difference of 2, and this will provide a temperature of I guess 20 here. So similarly, you have to find the minimum at each cell. Now, what is the intuition? Let's just see. What will be the brute force? So the brute force simply says that calculate at each cell with respect to each refrigerator, so each air conditioner. So if we will try to do that, what will be the time complexity? So it will be n square because there are k ACs and n move and n positions. So it will be more, you can say n into k. But since k is up to n, so you can say the worst case time complexity will be n square. But obviously n square is not allowed as it is from 3 into 10 to the power 5. I hope you have read the problem. See, we are solving 1500 level problems here. So I expect you to read and even try the problem at your own first and then watch the tutorial. So this is the problem. I hope you have understood what we need to do. Now we will come to the optimal solution of it. Before coming to the optimal solution, what we will try to look at some examples actually. See, we will try to actually think of a fact. Yeah, fact is the right word. See, when you are here, what will be the case? Either the minimum temperature will be with our AC from a left side, or either it will be from a AC from a right side. Right? Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Either the minimum temperature will be because of a AC which is on the left side, or either it will be of because of an AC which is on the right side. So are you getting, it is fact, right? Either it will be from left side or it will be from right side. So what if I calculate the temperature because of left side, like the as prefix, and then I will calculate the temperature from right side, which is suffix. And after calculating the prefix and suffix, I take the minimum of them. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? If I'm calculating the prefix, what it will mean that what is the minimum temperature I am getting from the left side. Then I'm calculating the suffix, which is meaning which is the minimum temperature we are getting from the right side. And then we are checking the minimum of them to get the minimum value at each particular cell. Sounds confusing? Let's do a dry run. Suppose there is a prefix array. Suppose there is a prefix array, right? So suppose there is a prefix array. Now, what is the previous value? Let's suppose it is infinity. Initially, it is infinity. So what we will say here since there is no AC, so we, okay, when we are coming from left side, initially with the previous value is infinity since there is no AC here, so the minimum temperature will be infinity. Since we have to calculate minimum, so we are taking infinity. Now, when we came here from previous step, wouldn't be the temperature will increase by 1 point because here when we are considering only left side's AC. So when it is coming from left side and you are moving towards right, so the distance will be increased by 1. So can I say at each cell the temperature will be minimum of previous plus 1 comma if there is a AC over there, then that particular temperature didn't get it. Suppose initially there is an infinity because again there is no AC over here, so it is infinity. Now here it will be minimum of infinity plus 1 comma 10. So obviously minimum is 10. Now why what infinity plus 1 why okay, let's just see. I will explain you. See why we are not writing 11 over here instead of infinity, because when you will write 11 over here it will be from right side AC. For this particular point 10 is on right side, but since we are considering the prefix, so we are considering only on the left side. So here the minimum temperature will be 10 because it is at 10. Now see here since we are focusing on the ACs on the left side, so 10 is on the left side. So here the temperature was 10. Now here the distance is increased by 1 because it is we are coming to the right side. So the distance is increased by 1. So can we say it will be the minimum of 11, comma, since there is nothing we can say there is an infinity. There is nothing, so we can say there is an infinity. There is nothing, so we can say there is an infinity. Nothing, infinity, nothing, infinity, nothing, infinity, and nothing, infinity. So you can see that here at this particular point, the minimum temperature will be 10 plus 1 comma infinity, which is again 10 plus 1 comma infinity minimum is 11. Now here, when we will come here, here the minimum will be between 11 plus 1, here 11 plus 1 comma 11, because here the temperature is already 11. So the minimum of 12 comma 11 is obviously 11. Here the temperature will be 11. Now coming to the next point, here the temperature will be 11 plus 1 comma infinity, which is 12. 11 plus 1 is 12. Here 13, because again 13 comma infinity minimum is 13. Here 14. Here 14 plus 1 15 comma 14. So 15 comma 14. What is the minimum? It is 14. It is not 15. It is 14. Here it will be 15. Here it will be 15 plus 1 16 comma 16, and the minimum of 16 comma 16 is obviously 16. Here it will be 17 and here it will be 18. Now you might argue, is it the correct answer? So the answer is no. It is we have just taken from left hand side. Now we need to take the same from right hand side. So again, starting from the right hand side, what is the here infinity, because there is no AC to the right. Again here infinity, no AC to the right. Here infinity plus 1 comma 16, which will be giving us the answer as 16. Here, when we are coming from the right hand side, it will be 16 plus 1 comma infinity, which will give us the answer here as 17. We are basically filling the suffix array. Okay, I will come back after filling the suffix. Okay, so we have filled the suffix array, and now you can see here we will just compare. From left side, the minimum temperature we are getting as infinity. From right side, the minimum temperature we are getting 11. So what will be the answer? 11 from my infinity is minimum, which will be 11. Here both are giving 10, so the answer will be 10. Here from left side we are getting 11 and from right side we are getting 12, so the answer will be 11. Here also the answer will be 11. Here the answer will be 12. Here the answer will be 13 and so on. Like what I'm trying to convey is, have you got the point? We are just calculating the prefix, then we are calculating the suffix, and based on that, we are checking which is the minimum and we are printing that as the answer. So, okay, then let it be aside as of now. I'm just writing it. I don't know why. But yeah, that is the question all about. Now you can try writing the code on your own. I will be showing the code in C++ language as of now. You can try in other languages as well. So I will be showing the code in CPP language. So I have taken the input as A is the position, T is the temperatures, and then I have set the temperature at each position as Ti if it exists, and where it does not exist, it will be int max. So I guess it is very clear with the code. I have not explained what is given, but you can just read that the positions is given, then the temperature is given. So we have calculated the temperature at each position. Then we are calculating the prefix as mentioned. Initially, we are taking int max, then previous plus one comma tempi, and we are updating the previous at each step. And same goes for suffix, and then we are simply calculating the minimum of prefix and suffix. Again, the code, the submission link for the code will be given in the description as well. So if you have any confusion over that, go and check out the code. I guess the code is very easy. You don't need to, but still, if you have any confusion, you can take the screenshot or just go to the description box and you just check out the submission link for it. I hope the question is clear. The series still continues, guys. Tomorrow we will be bringing the third question, and tomorrow's problem link is again given in the description, so you can try before watching the next episode of the series. So thank you, guys. Again, I hope you would have liked the video. If yes, feel free to comment any kind of thing you don't like about the video or any suggestion you have. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.